One day Seru, the little tiger cub, went walking in the forest and he loved to rub-a-dub. He saw a nest falling, oh what a sight! An egg so round, shiny and bright. Oh Seru, Seru, brave and true, found a little egg and knew what to do. Took it home with gentle care. A little bird was waiting there. The very next morning, a chirp he heard. Out of the egg came a baby bird. Seru smiled and gave a cheer. You're my friend, I'll keep you near. They climbed a mountain high and steep. The bird chirped loudly, no time for sleep. But a hawk swooped down and a wolf drew near. Seru held the bird and said, don't fear. Oh Seru, Seru, bold and bright, facing danger in the light. With his heart so big and kind, a hero tiger you will find. From the trees came a mighty roar. It was Seru's mom, fierce to the core. She chased the hawk, she scared the wolf. Protecting her cubs, she stood aloof. They walked back home, the sun shone high. The bird chirped softly, no more to cry.